You have a clock inside you, not a metaphor, not a feeling, an actual biological clock, ticking at the molecular level, counting every second of your life from the moment you were born. And you have never once looked at it. Right now, as you read these words, thousands of cells in your body are consulting that clock. They are checking in. They are deciding whether to keep going or to quietly stop. The decision they make will shape how long you live, how fast you age, and whether you get sick. And most of the time, you give them nothing to work with. Here is what the clock actually is. Inside the nucleus of nearly every cell in your body, your DNA is bundled into structures called chromosomes. At the very tip of each chromosome sits a cap. Scientists call it a telomere. Think of it like the plastic tip at the end of a shoelace. Its only job is to protect the chromosome from fraying. Without it, your DNA begins to unravel. Every time your cells divide, those caps get a little shorter, a little more worn down. And once they wear down far enough, the cell gets a signal. Stop dividing. You are done. Biologist Elizabeth Blackburn won the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine in 2009. She showed the world that telomeres are not just passive caps. They are active participants in the aging process. The body is not simply wearing out. It is following a program, a countdown. You were born with a certain telomere length. By the time you reach your mid-30s, measurable shortening has already occurred. By your 60s, the difference between a person who has lived carefully and a person who has not can be seen directly in the length of their telomeres, not as a story or a feeling, as a number, a physical measurement. This is not abstract. Blackburn and her colleague Elissa Epel spent years studying a group of mothers caring for chronically ill children. These were women under enormous, unrelenting stress.